The state of Bihar, where Pappu Yadav has made a big statement. Congress is ready to welcome Nitish Kumar, says Pappu Yadav. The big question is Congress playing mind games with Tejasvi here. What is the meaning of this statement? With now the Congress making the statement and welcoming Nitish Kumar. Listening to Pappu Yadav.
और चिराग जी का जो जुगलबंदी चल रहा है और अभी तक नीतीश जी एक साथ गए ही नहीं और नीतीश जी को अलग थलग करके ये लोग स्ट्राइक रेट में लगे हुए हैं तो बचेगा ही लोग। नीतीश जी चुनाव के बाद आपको लगता है कि इन लोगों के साथ रहने वाले हैं? नीतीश जी को सिर्फ कांग्रेस से सम्मान देगी। कांग्रेस तो हमेशा सम्मान करती है और स्वागत के लिए तैयार है।
Piyush is getting in more details. Pappu Yadav has been making these statements in the past as well that Nitish should be coming back to the Mahagathbandhan fold. How is the Mahagathbandhan reading into not just this one statement but the series of statements that he's made in the past about BJP, finishing off Nitish Kumar, etc., that he's been saying continuously? Piyush?
That's right, Sneha. That's a very big comment coming in from Pappu Yadav, who is an independent MP. But yes, he also gets a lot of support from the Congress party. Now he's coming out and saying that only Congress can, give respect to Nitish Kumar and he should come and join us. I remember that this is the statement which is going to create some sort of tensions in Mahagathbandhan because RJD is completely fighting against Nitish Kumar and in fact RJD and Pappu Yadav also, they do not enjoy good relations. So this statement somewhere, is going to create some sort of political controversy not only in Mahagathbandhan but also in NDA. Though the NDA ally partners have been since beginning saying that they are fighting this election in the leadership of Nitish Kumar, but Home Minister Amit Shah during the program of Aaj Tak itself, India Today itself had highlighted that yes, we are fighting the elections under the leadership of Nitish Kumar, but Chief Minister will be chosen by the MLAs after the results are out of Bihar elections. So after that statement, we are now seeing how Pappu Yadav is coming out and he is openly extending his support, his complete favor to Nitish Kumar, and he's saying that only Congress party can give respect to Nitish Kumar. We'll have to wait and watch now how the other political parties, be it from Mahagathbandhan or from NDA, are going to react on this, but because this is a very big comment coming in from Pappu Yadav at a time when the campaigning for Bihar Assembly elections are on peak in the state of Bihar.
Well, absolutely, he's independent in that sense, but of course the affiliations of the Congress party is clear. What's also clear is that clearly there are no permanent friends and permanent enemies in politics with that statement being made. However, there is a Mahasangram in Mahagathbandhan here, BJP taking a snipe and blaming Rahul Gandhi for all of this. Here's what is being said. Rahul missing in action amid the Bihar election, says the Bharatiya Janata Party. Disappeared to North America for 15 days is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has said. Making cooking video blogs amid Bihar polls, non-serious in that sense. Gandhi is unfazed and there is a display of a sense of entitlement is what the BJP clearly has said here, making these comments against Rahul Gandhi.